Adventurers, we will be traveling today to Buffalo National River, Arkansas. First, we got a few places to check out. So like I said, we have a few places to go first before our hike. Right now I'm driving down Highway 7, it's called Scenic 7 Arkansas, and there's many great views just like this. So that first view I was at was called the Grand Canyon of Arkansas. I thought there was actually a location where there was a short hike and a view, but it was just that view, I guess. And then there are pullouts. I'm just right next to the highway here, Highway 7. And it's just beautiful views just like this, non-stop. Amazing. Alright, adventurers, here we are on the trail. It is the Central Trail, I believe, on the Buffalo National River. And look at these views already, right at the beginning. We're going to be hiking down, and then we'll be doing the goat trail. Goat Trail is about 2.6 miles down this Centennial Trail, or Center Line Trail. That's what it's called, the Center Line Trail. 2.6 miles down is the turnoff, and then the Goat Trail itself is only about a half mile long, but it is said to be the scariest hike in Arkansas. So we're gonna check it out. And we're almost there. I think we got about a half mile to go. Maybe 3/4. We have turned off of the Centennial Center Line Trail and are now entering the Goat Bluff Trail. here are the two options. I can either climb this 5-foot ledge up onto the next level, or try to maneuver through this tree right at the edge of the cliff. Wow, this is just amazing up here. I can definitely see how it can give people nerves, but it's not too bad. Wow. I mean, the trail usually has at least 3-4 feet to walk on, so it's not too small. Well, since the trail goes on a little further, I am going to sit down right at this overlook and have a lunch break. My stomach is growling. Wow. So that view under this cave. And look at that. Perfect little bench. Right here. Oh, that was an awesome lunch. Sat there for a good 25 minutes or so. Had a tuna fish sandwich, some chips, a Coke. Just relaxed at that viewpoint. It was just beautiful. Sun shining on my face. Just as I was wrapping it up, a bunch of people came walking and it was perfect. Had the place all to myself. Wow, now I'm continuing on. After that cliff part where I had to climb up that little ledge, after that there's like nobody here. It was kind of difficult to figure out how to get up here, but my map said it can. That was only like halfway down the trail, so. But yeah, this is kind of a cool. It's like the dark alleyway. These. You even know what these are? Cedar trees? Trail kind of forks at this point. I think it goes this way. This looks like the main trail. Whoa. Beautiful. The goat. So I guess that is the end of the goat trail. Consulting my map, the trail does continue on into some backcountry, so you can do some backcountry camping if you want. I am not today. But This is a pretty cool place. Lots of views. There's no water up here, so you'd have to haul in your water. But yeah, these views are top notch. You can't get better views than this. So those were the last overlooks. I just went and explored the campsites here, and all these. They're just a bunch of little trails coming off of the campsites, looking for firewood, going to the bathroom, what have you. So these are the last few overlooks. I will head back. There were a couple of things that I didn't get on my way in that I'm going to get on my way out because there's just crowds of people around it. Like climbing through the hole. I'm going to get some footage of me climbing through the hole. This is kind of a cool room. Got like a red layer in it. Like some of the scarier parts would include like this, where there's uneven ground, you got an overhang to worry about, and you're right next to a cliff. Here's the room with the hole. Some kind of beehive looking formation. There's a bird's nest in that hole. Pretty cool. I almost wonder if the birds make this formation, or if that's actually stone. Feels like stone. It's an odd formation. Oh, I'm winded from going through that hole 8 times. Alright, we just reached the intersection of Center Point and the Goat Trail. We took a left heading back to the car. We got about 2 miles of climbing up about 600 feet. Oh yeah. You know, normally I think you wouldn't get any views because of the green tunnel effect. But this time of the year, it's gorgeous. You can see through and get some views. So a couple of things I forgot to mention here. Buffalo National River was the very first national river in the country. Since, I'm not sure how many, but many national rivers have opened up across the country. Mostly to preserve the watershed and preserve the water for generations to come. The other thing was that when early settlers came here, they brought goats with them, and they eventually, you know, some of them got free and stuff. And so goats are not native to this area, but they can be found in small amounts in this area because of the early settlers that brought them here. Thus the name, the Goat Trail. I did not see any goats. Apparently, fairly rare sightings. Well, that does it for the Go Trail and the Center Point Trail. There's a whole bunch more here to explore. This Buffalo National River area is huge. This is just one little part of it. This is awfully beautiful. Great place. A little strenuous, but not too bad. Got my trail legs. Arkansas, you guys got a nice place here. Stop littering, because there's litter everywhere. Thanks everyone for joining me. I hope you enjoyed hiking with me. And I hope to see you next week. And happy trail backpacking.